are we, Simon?
Where are we, Taylor?
We're in the Daintree Rainforest.
Yay! We're in the rainforest. Look at all this beautiful green trees. Let's go. Taylor, where are you?
Show them the lookout as well.
I just fell.
Haley's falling.
Show them the lookout.
Ooh la la. What a beautiful sight.
Taylor, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Our people don't know
I'm
this.
from Canada.
She's our friend from Canada, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and we're in Australia in the rainforest. And we're gonna have a fun day at Daintree Rainforest. We're on a ferry.
On the ferry.
In the Discovery Center, what are we gonna find?
What is it? Tabooty.
You are here. Bro, that looks like a long walk.
Muy perfecto. It's 1,200 meters. It's 1 kilometer.
I thought you were gonna say 12 kilometers.
You know what we call it, Brittany, right?
Cool shiznit.
Yeah, hell yeah. Taylor, what is this?
So this is a tree, a really large tree that's being suffocated by little stem trees, right? And then eventually the inside tree will deteriorate, and then it'll only be like a cast, and it'll be all hollow on the inside, right?
Damn,
is that right? Yeah, yeah, that's right. Little. Oh my gosh, is there something in my hair? Where? Here.
No.
I just felt something on my head.
A raindrop, maybe?
Maybe it was a raindrop. Anyway, look at the cute little mushrooms. And Simon's an old man who needs a walking stick.
Welcome to
Here we go to the ocean.
Warning.
What is it?
Coconuts.
Oh, yeah. This is crazy. No swimming.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Well, it gets windy out here.
Yeah. Really pretty out here though. Damn.
Let's see who can touch a rock first.
Okay, you go first.
It's good. Palms can tolerate low soil oxygen levels better than most other rainforest plants. They form great galleries where rainforest soils are waterlogged. Speaking of water, blimey.
Bloody hell, it's got the rain
We've got a bit of rain coming in, but it's alright. We've got heaps of protection from these rainforest ponds. These rainforest ponds will keep us nice and dry. But really fat.
Damn.
There's like a baby on him.
Mm-hmm.
And there's another one right there.
Get him. What? Ouch, spiky. Come here, friend. No, he's just hiding. Come here.
She just sprayed.
Really?
He did spray.
She sprayed, yeah. She pooped on your thumb.
Oh, it smells really good.
Okay, let's see. Let me get a picture of you, babe. Is she holding on to your finger?
Yeah. Sick.
Okay, put it close to you. Look at me. Oh my gosh. That is crazy, Simon.
Right?
Oh my god. And there's 2 of them on there.
You hate squish, remember?
I hate squish.
Go in, Tay.
Oh, it's gonna be squishy.
Oh my gosh. Is it warm?
No.
Oh, look at Simon's squish.
Okay, I'm gonna go in.
Go in.
Okay.